welcome back to my channel, the Formal Product Reviews. And today I'm gonna review a new product for today, and this is an accessory from a Samsung Galaxy Tab E. So this is a case book cover with keyboard. So let's gonna open it up and let's see what's the face of this book cover. Okay. So here we are, and then we're gonna unbox this new accessories from a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This is a book cover with a keyboard on it. So let's open it up, guys. Okay, let's start. So this is new, okay, and I'm gonna fix the camera. So I am using my second vlogging phone camera. This is the Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, and oh, this is big. The packaging is big, and let's see what is the what is the let's see what is the okay. And it is so secure, and it's comes from a bubble wrap. So let's just hope there's no okay. So in here you can see this is a leather case cover with USB keyboard. So universal for Android, Windows tablets, 7-inch and 9 and 10-inch one tablet. So with keyboard. So okay, let's open this up and let's gonna check if this is fit for my Samsung Galaxy Tab E book cover. Okay, and so secured. So and it's so nice that it has a bubble wrap like this, so that it will secure nothing has been damaged. So in here have something like this one, and then this gonna okay, open it, and here there is the okay, nice nice bubble wrap. So and this is the book cover, and let's open this up and then let's check. This is a universal. So step aside my cutter and this one, the plastic, and then yes, oh, it's a magnetic one, and wow, nice. Okay, this is good, this is nice. And yes, and there's also the so that the keyboard will not. And then I'm gonna put my tablet, and then let's gonna put this one over here, and then yes, and then put that like that, and then it's gonna try to. And there's a stylus pen here. You can put your stylus pen, and it is a micro USB. So gladly that my input is a micro USB. Then it's working. Okay, physical keyboard settings, and then let's try to use the keyboard. So okay, let's try to use the stylus. So in here oh, it's not So let's let's try to write some memo here, and then we're gonna we're gonna try to type so something. Okay, and then I think, okay, so let's try to type, let's try to type something here. Yes, this is better. So add, and then let's put some say in here, and then do have some tasks. So this is okay. This is just a sample of it. So let's try to uh, what is this called? Okay, and then we also gonna delete it. So memos. So I'm trying to caps lock, and then so if you want to, so if you want to enter some title, so and then type it, and you can you can save, and okay, sample, save, and then okay, so enter the title, save. So in here, hey, okay, please, and then I can, okay, make this one, and then I'm gonna make it done, and then okay, and then yes, here you go. So if I can put some image in here, and then like that one, so here nice. So if you see the text, so you just say here, hey, please subscribe to my channel. So this is only a sample of it. So if you want to make again, drawing again, right, so this is good. Okay, and then yes, it is good. I love this physical keyboard. So nice keyboard over here, and this is good, and I can, yes, I can type, I can type anything. So if you want to escape, just escape. So that is just another name for exit. So if I have some micro USB hub, so that I can manage to what is this called, manage to use multiple use for my keyboard, and also for the mouse, so that I can use it anywhere. Okay, so this is good, this is good and nice. So there is a, what is this called, uh, but okay, it's too big for the, it's too big for the, uh it's too big for the, this stylus is too big for this extension slot for the tablet. And I think this is good and great. So the cup the cup of the stylus is stuck up in the right. So this is great, and I really love it. So I love the color, the matte black, and then it is so good, great, and yes, I love it. So take a final look of it. So this is great, and then you can see. So let me adjust the, let me adjust it so that you will see the full of it. So I will just, yes, and yes, and then like that. So I love the style of the keyboard. So it's quiet, it's quiet and no sounds. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it, my book cover case for my Samsung Galaxy Tab E, and I think it is good, and in the color it's so good, and I love the style of it. So you can check it, you can hear, uh, this is the, this is my book cover case for my Samsung Galaxy Tab E. This is great and big, and it is so awesome, and I love this style of it. This is so matte black, and then it's so it's so comfortable to, it's so comfortable to bring. Okay, and it is also a magnetic on it. It is a magnetic. Yes, you can see that magnetic, and there is also a kickstand at the back, which is also magnetic. Yes, there is a magnetic. You can see it is a magnet, and if you want to open it up and then you want to type, yeah, but there is no there is no sensitivity if you want to, there is no sensitivity to sleep or wake the, sleep or wake the tablet. So you need to, so you need to press the sleep button or power to make like that, and then that's it for today's vlog. Okay, like reviews, and this is great. I love the style of the keyboard, and here it is. Here, take a closer look of the keyboard so that you will see the style of it. The, here it is, and this is the cable. This is the USB cable for this tablet, and you can put it like that, so that it will, okay, so that it will cover up the USB, the micro USB on it. Okay, I'm struggling so sorry for that. So, and but I, but this is good, this is great, love it. I love the, I love the design overall. Okay, okay, so that was it, everyone. And guys, thank you for so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also please don't forget to like my videos, and then comment down below if you want something that I want to upload here in my channel. So please comment down, and also like, and also share my videos if you are, if you want to share this with your friends, loved ones, and your and your every barcadas in your area that you have a tablet like this and you want to share it with. So please share it, and I'm hoping that if I will get a 500 subscribers, and it also, and also 1,000 subscribers. So that is my goal, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and please